Hi guys, so continuing with the book review of Think Straight by Darius Forox. Today I'll be reviewing chapter 2 because I just finished it. It's a very small chapter, and here is my overall review. I have made some quick notes about it. So, the chapter 2 of Think Straight talks about that we consistently underestimate the human brain, right? The brain is one of the most complex machines in the universe, yet most of us assume that we can think clearly under pressure, and this assumption is obviously wrong. We overestimate the ability to stay rational in dangerous, emotional, or high stakes situations because we don't truly understand how the brain works. When stress, fear, or uncertainty kicks in, the brain doesn't optimize for logic, it optimizes for survival. We think from an evolutionary instincts rather than the developed intuition, and that's where thinking straight breaks down. Right? When stress, fear, or uncertainty kicks in, the brain doesn't optimizes for logic; it optimizes for survival, right? And here is my personal critique and observation. I have noticed a very strange pattern, but consistent pattern in human behavior, and I'm no exception. Uh, when someone else comes to us with a tricky problem like career confusion, relationship issues, bad decisions, we usually give excellent advice, which is calm, which is logical, which is very, very strategic, right? But in the exact same situation, if we are in that situation, our thinking changes. We stop seeing things objectively. We tell ourselves, no, no, my case is different. We believe that if the same risky action we are warning others against, we do those, the outcome will change somehow, and it doesn't. The problem isn't the intelligence, the problem is perspective. When advising others, we naturally view their situation from a very high, like a 35,000 feet view, which is a very strategic view. But when it's our own life, we zoom in too much. Emotion hijacks our reasoning, and the brain starts justifying bad decisions instead of actually preventing them. So, here is a simple mental model that helps, right? Imagine that your life is a movie and you are the main character, right? What would the audience be shouting at the screen right now? Don't do that. Wait, think long term. Walk away. That's even funny when it's a horror movie, is it not? So, the audience perspective is the clarity we lose when emotions take control. Thinking straight, especially in critical situation, means temporarily stepping out of the movie and becoming the audience, because the advice you would give someone else is usually the advice you should follow yourself, and that to me is the real power of this chapter. So let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you took something from it, so that you don't miss out. Thank you.